buns, let's make these beautiful soft rock buns together. I pour 2 cups of flour into a bowl. I add sugar, baking powder, cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. I mix everything together and set it aside. I pour some milk into a bowl, add an egg, vanilla extract, and whisk everything together. Next, I add margarine to my dry ingredients. Mix everything together until it forms a nice crumbly texture. I also added in some raisins to give it a nice sweet flavor. Now I pour in the wet ingredients and mix everything together until I get a rough, thick and sticky dough. As the dough is forming, let me chip in the tip of today. Let's always start our morning with 5 minutes of quiet before the chaos of the day begins. That early morning calm relaxes your mind and prepares you for the day ahead. Sometimes this small habit can completely change your entire perspective. Now let's line our baking tray with a parchment paper. Then scoop the dough onto the tray. We'll bake this at 180 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes depending on the size, or until the rock buns are golden brown. And there you have it, beautiful and soft rock buns ready for you and your family to enjoy. I hope you have already subscribed and liked this video. Don't forget to also share with your loved ones. Thanks so much for watching till the end, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.